Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are here with Microsoft Excel lesson that how could you increase or decrease the cell size and the row size. Sometime you can see that in different cells the text is not completely appear on the screen, or some text is hiding. You can see there is a sheet in front of your screen. Faizan Computer System, for example, first quarter sale. There is a computer company and there is a first quarter sale sheet, and there are different heading. For example, brand, January, February, March, and total sale. There are 5 columns. And in some columns, you can notice that the text is not completely appear in the column. And some text is hiding. For example, in B6, you can see B6, there is a word January that is not completely appear in the screen. So some character is hiding. So how could we handle these types of situations in Microsoft Excel 2013 and 2016 as well? And you can see sometime there is text is not aligned properly. You can see, for example, first quarter sale that is not aligned properly. For example, you want to align that text centralize. So how could we apply these operation in Microsoft Excel sheet? So today we are going to discuss these topics one by one. For example, first of all, I will start that how could you increase the font size in Microsoft Excel? Suppose this is a company name, Faizan Computer System. So how could you increase or decrease the size of the particular cell? For example, this is the particular text and I want to change the font size. So same, you have to move your mouse pointer and move toward the home tab, and there is a font window and font size window. So you can increase or decrease the font size. For example, 22. So I increase the font size, the main heading, up to 22 points. And after that, you can change the color. For example, there is a color window. You can select any color, for example, that is visible for you in the sheet. Any color. For example, I want to choose this color. Okay. And after that, I want to move another tag heading, side heading, that is first quarter sale. So you can increase or decrease. You can select the particular text and then again move your mouse pointer towards the font window and font size window and select the font size, for example 18. So your text will be up to 18 points increase. So now move towards the side heading, that is brand and January. And you can see there are different brand name, for example, Apple, Acer, Toshiba, Dell, HP, Lenovo, some computers name, laptops names. For example, Toshiba is not completely appearing in the cell, and the address, cell address is A9. You can see this is a A9, row number 9, and column is A. So A9 is the address. So how could we increase or decrease the cell size? In this way, your text is properly appear on the screen. So let's move your mouse pointer, and you have to move your mouse pointer towards the boundary line between the two cells, between the two columns, for example A or B. When I move my mouse pointer between A and B or two different columns, so your mouse pointer will be changed. You can see there is a black color cross or plus sign. You have to move left mouse button down and drag your mouse how much you want to increase the cell size or column size. You can see the column size is increased now, and your text is visible now and completely appearing on the screen. Again, January is not appearing in the B6 cells. So what you will do, you will again move your mouse pointer towards the particular cell address which you want to increase. For example, I want to increase the B column width. So again you have to drag your mouse, then you will see that the width of the B column is increased now. And again you have to apply same method. Move your mouse pointer towards the cell C and D, and there is a boundary line. You want to increase the C cell size or width. So see, it is increased now. Again you can increase the size of the D cell like this. It is increased now. So in this way you can increase or decrease the particular cell size or cell width. Same like that, you can increase or decrease the row size as well. For example, you want to increase this row. So you see, it is increased now. I want to increase this one. It is increased now. And now number 9, like this, like this. So in this way, you can increase and decrease the cell and row size. I hope that you have understood all steps I have performed. Now I want to change the font size that is appearing in the different columns of months, January, February, and March. So how could you increase? You have just select the particular cells and make a block or make a group or highlight a particular area, and then move your mouse pointer towards the font name and font size window. From here you can increase the size of the font like this. You can see the size is increased now, and you could change the font name as well. For example, I want to change the brand name in different font. So what I have to do, I have to move my mouse pointer again towards the font window, and I will select any other fonts which you like. For example, I want to select Arial. You can see the Arial is appearing in different size and different shape. So in the sheet number 1, that is related to the particular computer company first quarter sale, that how could you increase the cell size, cell width, or row and column widths. So I hope students you have understood, and in the next class we will apply some formulas on the same sheet of quarterly sale of a particular computer company. In the next class we will meet, inshallah. We will discuss that how could we calculate the total sales. Okay, until that, Allah Hafiz, signing out.